What is going on, guys? Thanks for stopping back here to the channel. If this is your first time here, go ahead and get down there and smash the subscribe button. But today I'm going to be going and showing you all how to change an air filter on a 2015 Dodge Dart, or it'll probably work on about any Dodge Dart because they're all pretty much so the exact same. And this will also be an awesome day to check out my new mic to see how it's working with all the wind noise going on. So let's jump right into the video here, guys. Okay guys, so all you should need is a Phillips head screwdriver. There's 2 screws, one right here and one on the back side right behind the oil dipstick, or in that general vicinity. A little hard to get your hand in there though, so try not to drop it. Okay guys, so these little bolts here, the one back here is very hard to get your hand into because of this here, and I dropped it just like I said don't do it, so learn from my mistakes, don't drop it, because it will go down into the bottom pan on your vehicle and you'll have to take a couple bolts off and try to dig it out and find it in the bottom. Luckily I was able to pull it out of where the oil plug hole was, so that's nice. These little buggers right there. Let's get back into taking this off. Well, that was simple. Pop it right up out of there. Oops. Oh yeah, guys. She's nice and dirty. Nice and dirty. She really needed her change. And here they are, guys. Here's the new filter and the old filter. And this is not a Fram filter. This is a premium guard filter, and so just wanted to let that out there. But this thing definitely needed change. 55,000 miles, it's never been changed, so it was due for. So let's slap the new one back on in there. And there you have it, guys. The filter is all reinstalled and good to go there. It was pretty simple besides just taking those 2 screws out. That one back there, let me see if I can get you one without the, there she is right there. She's just a bugger to get in there and get that. It's just so tight. But I got her all installed, so now I'm going to go and give this, look at that, this dirty engine bay a quick detail while I'm at it here. So let's jump right into her here, guys. Okay guys, I got her all detailed up. This one was way easier than my truck, which is right there. That was way easier detailing than the engine bay on that truck. If you guys want to see a video of that, I will put a little link up to it here. But look how shiny she is now, guys. And it's kind of hard to see because of the sun. I got my bottles sitting there. Look at her shining. Oh yeah, she's looking good, guys. Even up there on the couch, she's looking good, guys. Good, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, go ahead and get down there and give this video a thumbs up. Smash the subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day, everyone.